This might just look like an ordinary house, but we are on a houseboat, and this is a floating house in the middle of the sea. So it gets pretty rocky out here, but you have some amazing views. Holy shit, that's rocky. So this is our little home for 2 nights. We're gonna be staying there. Setting off for Lilypad feels like an adventure. And while I might be pulling up to the house in James Bond-esque style, it really doesn't feel that way as I'm trying to get off the boat onto the wobbly platform. And this was even with my boyfriend carrying all the luggage like a true gentleman. And honestly, I'm just glad we got onto the house without the suitcase rolling into the water. And then Katie, who is mastermind of all things Lilypad, shows us the ins and outs of our floating home. And she's super calm, probably someone you'd want in a zombie apocalypse. But as soon as she leaves...
Exhibit A. Seasick content creator selects house on water for content.
Actually, it's not that bad. It's not that bad. If I say I'm feeling sick, I'm going to start to feel sick though. I feel sick. And for the first day, pretty much all I did was eat and rest. But I did also manage to film around the house to show you what it's like. And this is the deck, the perfect place to hang out with friends, which we'll have over later. And overall, the deck of the house is pretty stable, but you can see that the floating platform is a little less relaxing and more hold on for dear life. But if you turn the corner to the side of the house, you'll see there's a sauna that's perfect for zenning out. And a barbecue, which is an essential piece of outdoor Aussie furniture. And inside, the living room is a vibe. There's a comfy couch, a TV for binge watching my K-drama, and a cozy fireplace as well. Also, whoever karate chopped these pillows deserves an award for their eye to detail. And the kitchen is fully stocked with snacks, wine, and a stove for your inner master chef to shine. Or in my case, for reheating leftovers from the chef-prepared meals. Next up is the bathroom, featuring a giant window so you can enjoy the view while you do bathroom things. And there's a sink that's so deep, I can fit my whole arm in it. And upstairs we have the bedroom, which is cute and cozy. There are no blinds, but it's pitch dark at night, so you'll sleep like a baby. Time flies when I'm watching 5 episodes of K-drama. The sun is setting in the horizon, and suddenly my boyfriend is going full chef mode. And this guy, he knows how to cook a steak. Anyway, I'm still feeling sick, so let's skip to the next morning. I'm feeling dizzy. But I know I have to get up because we have some friends coming really soon. Thankfully, Kate has come and stocked us up and also given me some Coke as well, which is supposed to help with motion sickness. And this actually makes me feel a lot better. Anyway, our friends are already at the dock now, so my boyfriend is going off to get them. I sort of wondered what it looked like from the boat, and luckily we have Erica cam.
Oh no, that's the kitchen.
And this is Erica and Chris. And Erica loves food, loves champagne, and puts up with Chris. And Chris won't stop singing I'm on a boat when he's on a boat. And he likes to annoy Erica, but he also loves her very much as well. And if you were listening, Chris loves Erica. Erica loves champagne. And the first thing Chris does is, well, he opens a bottle of champagne. And this is what you call true love between Erica and champagne. And speaking of true love, something that we all have in common is a love for food. And apparently, also floating houses. We ate lunch on the deck, and before we knew it, it was time for the massage that we had scheduled in. And while we were doing this, Chris and Erica took off in the boat.
I'm on a boat! I'm on a boat!
And while there was chaos on the boat, there was also chaos on the deck because we forgot to clean up the plates. and I'm about to declare victory over the seagulls. So we have one last sweet treat before Erica and Chris head off home. After my friends left, I was like, oh, you know what would be a good idea? We should fly my drone. I thought this would be a great video for YouTube, and maybe even be a cinematic masterpiece. But instead, I just feel like I've learnt the lesson of I shouldn't own nice things. RIP to my little flying friend.
I can still hear a mechanical noise, but it's gone now. So I murdered my drone today, and so now I'm going to do a sauna to make myself feel better.
It's toasty and it's calming, and it's probably the closest I'll get to a full reset after that disaster. And the next stop, a private beach. Luckily, at least one of us knows how to drive a boat, because I didn't realize that it would bring out such a monster in me. And then we got to the private beach, which was small and peaceful until I saw the jellyfish. And I couldn't help thinking to myself, this is exactly why Australia gets a bad rap. Anyway, after this nightmare fuel, we went back to have another chef-prepared meal before the next day.
This is our last morning here at Lilypad, and we are very sad to be leaving, but we had an amazing time. And it was such a surreal experience to be floating on water in a house. Like, this isn't a boat. This is literally just a house in the middle of nowhere. We got heaps of people coming up in their boats to look inside and see what we were doing. And this place has no blinds, so you can see straight in. You know how people wave at each other on boats as well? They do it here.
Hello. How are you? Good. Beautiful weather, hey?
And as you see, you also get a lot of people like saying hi to you and waving, since we're in a floating house. So let me know what you think. Would you stay on a floating house in the middle of nowhere? Well, technically you can go to a pretty good restaurant up the river. And there are lots of fishes as well. I'm gonna see if I can try and film this. Oh wow, so many. It's probably because there's like seaweed growing on the side of this as well, so there's stuff to eat. Thank you for watching it all the way through this video. If you want to support, please hit the like button. And if you want to see more of my adventures, hit subscribe. Hi, how are you?
Hi guys, good morning.
Good morning.
Good, how are you?
How are you?
Yeah, good. We had such a great time. Yeah,
Yeah?
doing well.
Did the seasickness ease?
Yeah, it got a bit better over time. And I think also the quells ended up working too, so I was like, hey.
Okay.
Yeah. Oh, thank you. You got it for me. Got good taste.
Good taste.
Yeah.
I would just let my husband choose the rest of the
Yeah, I'm good. Thank you.
Perfect weather.
Yeah.
So, Christine is a little road.
We did yesterday.
Oh, good.
Yeah.
Have you done a bit of a check?
We did do a bit of a check and like sweep, so hopefully nothing else is on
Yeah,
board.
I don't
I think we've got everything.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Okay. Jonah will take you back.
Okay, perfect.
After you guest me in about 2 hours.
Great.
Yeah. So
Yeah,
it was
thank
really
you so
nice
much for
meeting
having
you
us.
guys. How were
Yeah.
the massages?
It was so good.
Yeah, really
The massages
good.
were great. Yeah, it was funny because we were eating lunch
Yeah.
and then the massage therapist came and we were like, oh crap, better get ready.
Yeah.
And then at the end of our massage, the seagulls started coming in for the food. So like the massage therapists were like running out and shooing them away. It was funny, don't worry.
Oh,
Yeah.
Yeah, sorry, I should have warned you about that.
Yeah,
No,
no, we
it's
should have
alright.
known. We should have
Part of
known
the
there'd be like sea
experience.
life here.
Yeah, no, they're so bad.
Yeah.
Sorry, I just don't even think about them.
Yeah.
Yeah, sorry.
Yeah, no,
That's
don't
all right.
worry. Yeah, thanks so much for the say. It was so fun.
Very lovely, easy.
Thank you.
Alright, see you guys.
See you. Bye. It's okay. It's only a short. Goodbye, house. It was so much fun. Yeah. back to reality.